What is up, everyone? Brad here from Clusachara Sports Cards, 645 Victoria Street North in Kitchener, also known as Clusachara.com. Going to make it really quick today as I got to get the shipping ready for all you guys today. Get all your stuff in the mail. So, 3 breaks tonight. Starting with another case team draft of 11-12 limited hockey. Stuff's been hot so far. Case breaks, tons of... I can't talk today. The case breaks are great value, and everyone's been loving them, so we figure, why not do another one? Had some requests for it yesterday. Might as well. We've also got another Ultimate 11th Edition Superlative Draft Up, but 1 full box of each. Well, 1 full box of Ultimate, 1 book of Superlative. So we got that one up, and we've got a 12-box mixed football breakup, which finally started getting some traction, getting some spots taken. So we got that as well, and yeah. That is all we got on the docket for tonight in terms of group breaks. Also, if you weren't on Blog TV last night and you haven't seen the thread yet, the thread will be below for the, we're going to be doing some free case breaks thanks to us and Panini. We worked out something with them, so we're going to have some free limited case group breaks later this week. I'll have the link below to the thread with all the details for that. But other than that, guys, I think that's everything I need to tell you for today. Again, sorry I'm rushing it, but all the details for everything you need in the underbar below. So we'll see you guys on Blog TV tonight at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Note the early start time. So see you guys then.